guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you all very well. Today I am super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial, and I'm actually really excited about this one because today I'm going to be trying out the new LAGirl Pro Artistry and Mastery eyeshadow palettes, which are these bad boys right here, which just launched. I'm really excited to show you guys this look that I created today. And with that being said, since I am going to be reviewing these two palettes or trying them out today, I am also going to be using pretty much all of my favorite LAGirl products that I personally really love. I'm really excited for you guys to see this tutorial, so if you guys are interested in learning or simply just watching how I created this makeup look, then just please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am going to start by using first the new LAGirl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. They recently just launched this. It does have a lot of rosy mauvey tones in here, which I think are perfect for Valentine's Day coming up, and the palette is pink also, so just look how beautiful this palette is. The packaging is just like the two last previous palettes that they recently just came out with as well, same hardware and everything, super durable. I am going to be taking Proper and Devote from this palette, which is this shade and this brown shade down here, and I'm just going to be bringing this into that inner crease, really in there, and I'm just gonna slowly start blending this all over the entire crease. If you guys are wondering what brush I'm using to blend this all out, this is the Morphe M441. Moving on, I'm gonna be going in again with the Mastery palette. I'm gonna be taking Dapper, which is this burgundy, really dark burgundy shadow down here on the very corner. So I am just gonna be using the same Morphe M441 blending brush, and I'm just gonna be taking this and adding it really mainly on the crease, but I'm also going to be adding this right on the outer corner. And if you guys are not familiar with LAGirl's palettes, I feel like the formula is pretty much the same. I mean, for the price that you're paying for these palettes, I feel like they're very great quality palettes, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm just gonna keep making this as pigmented as possible, and I do like to just grab a clean brush and just make sure I blend out these harsh lines on the outer perimeters of the eyeshadows. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Artistry palette, which is this baby right here, and I'm just gonna be taking this black shadow, and I'm just gonna add the tiniest bit. I'm also going to mix a little bit of this dark brown shade, which they're both called Brilliance and Sleek. Just gonna be adding those two right on the outer corner here. And I really just want those to just be very defined. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so freaking annoyed with myself. I thought I was recording this entire time. I can't. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna move on. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me cut my crease before, but I did want to show you guys what I did to cut my crease. So this is the LAGirl Pro Concealer. I love this stuff. This is in the shade Fairest. We have our cut crease going on already, okay? I did drag it out a little bit more further down than usual. Next, I'm gonna be moving on to the eyeshadow that's going to go on the lid, and I'm gonna be taking Boss and Fangirl, which they're such beautiful shades. I'll show you guys some swatches here in a minute, but it is this shade here and this one down here. So I am gonna be swatching these two for you guys. So here we have, I think this is Boss. Boss is just such a beautiful shade, you guys. Oh my god, just look how creamy and pigmented these eyeshadows are. It's insane. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna be swatching Fangirl. Yeah, sorry guys, if I keep moving, it's just because my mirror is like in the way of the camera. Just so sorry, but just, oh my god. These are just so freaking pigmented. It's crazy. I did just want to swatch these three here, which is Expressive, Virtuoso, and Zeal. Here we have Expressive, which is such a beautiful shade. It's very bright, but it also has a little bit of like golden reflectives in there as well. It is so stunning. Next we have Virtuoso, which is more of like a golden shade. And lastly, I'm going to be swatching Zeal, which this one is very much of a very golden copper shade. You guys, the pigment on these palettes is literally insane. Like, these shimmer shades are just unbelievable. Like, I'm shook. Moving on to the Mastery palette once again, I'm going to be adding Boss and Fangirl to my eyelid. And lastly, I'm going to be taking Pretty, and I'm just going to be adding this right on the outer corner, just to add like a very nice hint of like pink or like mauve tones in there. And last but not least, I'm just gonna go back in with that black and brown shadow once again from the Artistry palette, and I'm just gonna be blending that pink shade that we just added, just so everything can look seamlessly. Okay, so now I am just gonna be doing my eyeliner and lashes off camera, just because I feel like, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of eyeliner applications before. Nothing new. I'm just gonna be doing my regular schmegular eyeliner that I always do, nothing special, and I'm just gonna add some lashes that I love wearing at the moment. So be right back. Moving on to the face, I am going to be adding foundation now, and this is going to be the LAGirl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using shade Medium Beige and Light Tan. I'm going to mix them both together, and I'm just going to blend them out with my beauty blender. Now I am going to be concealing my under eye area. I'm also going to be using this concealer to brighten up the under eye area, and this is the Pro Concealer from LAGirl Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Fairest, which you guys have seen me use before. I really do love this shade in specific because, like I said, it really does brighten up my under eye area so well. And you can never go wrong with these concealers, you guys. I've been using these like literally since I could afford makeup, and they are always the motherfucking OG, okay? They are the shit. I love them so much. Now, as you guys see already, I did already finish doing the lower lash line on my left eye, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the right side. Now, I am gonna be taking this shade down here from the Artistry Pro palette, and I'm just gonna be taking a small detail brush, and I'm just gonna be adding this on the lower lash line, all over the lower lash line. Now, I'm also going to be dragging this eyeshadow right at the bottom of my wing liner, and I'm just gonna drag this all the way up. Now I'm also going to be taking a buffer brush, a flat buffer brush like this, and I'm just going to be taking the smallest amount, and I'm just going to pretty much buff everything out. I really want everything on that lower lash line to look super smoked out, especially towards the outer corner, towards the wing. Moving on to the Mastery palette, I'm going to be taking this shade, and this shade. And I'm going to be pretty much mixing all of these together and adding it really just on the outer corner. Not so much towards the inner corner of the lower lash line, just because I really want that outer corner to be super smoked out. And I'm gonna go back in with that buffer brush, and I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of those 3 shades once again, and I'm just gonna buffer everything out. And lastly, I am gonna be adding some of the tiniest bit amount of the black and the brown shade from the Artistry palette. Just a little bit. Right there. Perfect. And I'm also just going to be taking a small flat brush like this, and I'm going to be blending out this black and smudging out that lower part of the liner, just so it can look very smoky. And since we are in the Valentine's Day spirit, I am going to be adding this LAGirl Shockwave Neon Liner in the shade Blaze to my waterline. Lastly, for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the Artistry palette, and I'm going to be taking Virtuoso, I don't know how you say it. But I am going to be using this golden shade down here. I am going to be finishing up the face now. I'm going to quickly just add this LAGirl Pro Face High Definition Pressed Powder in the shade True Bronze. And just like the name, I am going to be using this as my bronzer. This is actually such a beautiful shade. I have used these pressed powders, which are actually really amazing, you guys, but I haven't used this one in specific to bronze up my face. I don't remember which one was the other one that I used, but it's really nice. For blush, I am gonna go in with the LAGirl Island Hottie blush palette, which is my favorite out of all of them, just because you guys know I love pink and really peachy orangey blushes. Okay, so moving on to the lips now. I am going to be using, I don't really know which one I'm gonna do yet, so I'm gonna try this one first. If I don't like it, then I'll switch to a different lip color, but for now I'm thinking of using this blushing lip liner. It's called Blushing. This is a lip liner from LAGirl Cosmetics. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, my final thoughts on the new LAGirl Pro Artistry and Mastery palettes. I feel like these are no different from the previous palettes from the collection that they recently just launched. The price that these are, they're super affordable. So I feel like for the price, they're amazing palettes. They really are. Hopefully you guys get to try them out. Like I said, they recently just launched on their website. We'll list everything down below. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys.